In this video, we are going to understand the use of empty elements. So this is the document on which we are going to work upon. Right click anywhere and click on the view page source to see the code. On the comment, you can see we are saying that we are going to learn the use of empty element, and here we have given an example for that, which is the break tag. It is used to give line spacing on the web pages. If we divide this break tag into two parts, this is the opening tag and we are using a slash afterwards. That means we are closing the tag. So that means both opening and closing are done together within a single tag. So they are called the empty elements because they do not contain any information. Like for example, inside the title tag, we have given this information, we have given a message. Such kind of a message cannot be given inside these tags. That is why they are called empty elements. And further, inside the body tag, we have written a message here. You can see that this is the first step towards designing your own web page. If we look at the output, this is how the output is coming, how this is visible to us. And one thing you should notice here is we are using the three different ways of writing the break tag. We will talk about that in a while. But in general, we are using three break tags here. So the output is showing three line spacing between the message, and whatever messages we have given using the enter key from the keyboard, those are not considered as line spacing in web pages. And further here, you can see that we have written the break tag in three different manners. However, only one is correct, but that works on our computer because our computers are client-side systems. And here we are learning the use of these things, how to write the tags and what would be the output. However, if we design a particular website or something and we publish it, so that time it will ask for the validation of the document, and that time it will show the errors that like two of the tags that we have written here, the break tags, the two of them are wrong. The correct way of writing is br slash. That means br as in we are opening the tag and we are using a slash in the end in order to close it. So this way of writing the tag would be correct.